Hi everybody! We are pleased to present you an enormous update of our system, namely a completely new section in our application, BOOMBOX. Now the THOR electronic exhaust system not only gives great emotions thanks to the exhaust sounds, but also has more than 20 sounds of various animals. Your car will definitely not be left without attention. It's easy to find out more as well as to order our system. Just contact us in private message or by the phone number listed under the video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our sounds.
Остановись.